I want to explain something that will help you in your forex trading. It will help you to be successful in forex trading. So every single day when you wake up in the morning, try to look at the direction of the market. Try to determine if the market is a bullish market or a bearish market. That's the first thing you're supposed to do. And second thing, know when you are trading. Are you trading in the London session or the New York session, or are you trading in the Asian session and the New York session? For my trading strategy, I always teach you guys to trade only in the London and the New York session. If you're trading a pair like GBPUSD, these things are very simple and you don't have to make trading very complicated. What actually matters in trading is controlling your psychology and controlling your money management. It means there is a set of rules that you're supposed to follow. If you follow these rules, you will be successful. If you don't follow the rules, no matter which trading strategy you're using, you will still fail in trading. So look at it here. Because we are seeing a pattern of higher highs and higher lows, it tells us that we are bullish. So when you're waking up in the morning and you're trading just the London session, which begins at 8 a.m, this is over here, you know that the market is in a bullish trend. That's what you know at the back of your mind. So first thing first, look at what happened on Friday. On Friday, we had a double top formation in this particular area, because when price got to this particular area, it formed what you call an inverse hammer. I'll teach you guys how to trade forex with just simple trading strategies. Simple, which is just based on price action and candlestick patterns with the RSI. See, when price got to this area, we had what we call an inverse hammer, or what we call a pin bar formation in this particular area. This is what we call an evening star. So price had to go there the second time to gain liquidity, because whenever the market, whenever we see this thing happening in the market, it will not just happen one time. You always see like a double top or a double bottom. That's why I always teach you guys to follow the M pattern or the W pattern formation if you want to trade forex and trade forex profitably. Here we have an M pattern formation. This is the first top, this is the second top. Here we have a W pattern formation. This is the first W and this is the second W. So here's a double, what you may call a double bottom formation, and here is also a double top formation. Like I said, you have to know the M pattern like this. This is the M pattern, and you have to know the W pattern, which is like this. It must not necessarily look like a perfect W, because sometimes you will see it like this, sometimes you will see it like this, and sometimes you may even see it like this. So it will not be a perfect W or a perfect M sometimes, but you just have to know the patterns. Now let me teach you guys what I'm talking about. So today the market was bullish in the in the Asian session from 12 all the way to 8 a.m. So the market formed a reversal pattern around this particular area. This is what we call an evening star. This is a doji pattern. This a bearish candle. This is a doji candle, or you may call it a small candle, but this pattern is actually a bearish pattern. So it fell all the way to this area. So when it fell all the way to this area, what did we see in the London session? We saw a doji pattern forming here to tell you that the market is still in a bullish pattern. So this doji pattern formed here to give you an indication that there's a support around here, or a buy zone around this particular area. So let me just draw the buy zone here. It's a buy zone around this particular area. So this is a buy zone here. What happened? Price went back to this area to retest this previous area here, and it fell back to the buy zone. But let me tell you how the market trades. Whenever you see a pattern, know that there will be a double retest. It means that it will test here and it will test here again. So when it came and test this area, it will normally break past that area, because smart money has to take some people out, because people will put their buy stops here or their buy entries here, and they'll put their stop loss just around this particular area. So smart money has to come and take out their stop loss to gain liquidities, so that they can push the market back to the bullish direction. Now look at it here. This is actually where the market will form a sell zone. because of what happened here. This is actually a previous pattern to tell that, okay, that the sellers are in this particular area. So next time the market goes to this particular area, if you see a pattern forming here in the smaller time frame, let's say in the 1 minute time frame or the 5 minutes time frame, you take a sell directly, knowing fully well that if you're selling here, you put your stop loss just a little bit above this particular area, and you put your take profit around this particular area. So you will normally want to come and test back this particular zone before the market can do whatever it wants to do. So it's simple. Trading is not supposed to be so complicated with so many things, smart money concepts, so many things that will not even help you at all. If you cannot follow the rules, you will still lose money in forex trading, even if you're using smart money concepts or all kinds of funny trading strategies. Just make it simple for yourself. Buy at the right zones, sell at the right zones, and life goes easy. I'm just doing this video because I want you guys to know how trading can be easy. It's just follow the rules of trading. If it goes against you, take the losses. If it goes in your favor, take the profits. Don't make it complicated for everyone, okay? So see you guys in the next